Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. We are going to cook a very yummy dish. This is the rice noodles. Ito po ay made in Thailand na rice noodles at ito ay lulutuin natin sa shrimp broth. How do you call this? Yung ulo ng shrimp dinikdik tapos nilagyan ng tubig bago sinala. I don't know how you call it guys, pero yan ang pangluluto natin. But before that, we are going to saute garlic and onion. Okay, just heat the pan. Heat 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, then the garlic. Simple lang itong lutong to guys, very simple. Then the garlic, then the red onions, let us saute it till it will become translucent. Okay. Amoy na. So, pag nagiging translucent na at amoy na yung garlic and onion, sunod na natin ang pork belly. Yan. Okay lang natin hanggang mag-extract siya ng fats o mag-render ng fats. Para lumambot yung karne, ay lagyan natin siya ng cooking wine. Maybe 2 tablespoons. Para maging malambot lang ang karne. And then, let us place the maglagay lang tayo ng 1 tablespoon of this. Ano, hindi makita. 1 tablespoon of this black bean garlic sauce. Kunti lang dahil maalat. Ayan. And then, let us place the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2. And then, let us now place the shrimp head juice. Shrimp head juice. Ayan. Abundant amount, enough to cook the rice noodles. Okay. Then, let us just wait to boil. Then let us wait to boil. Now it's boiling. Open it. Then let us put the rice noodles. This one. The name is Hofan rice noodles. Supreme broad Hofan. Broad rice noodles. Ayan. Wow. Dami. That is 400 grams. Okay. Let us simmer it for 3 minutes. I forgot to place the... To be spicy, I will be adding the green chili. I love green chili. And then, of course, we have to submerge it to the liquid like that. And then, okay, so there's time to place the veggies, mixed veggies. Let's add also the mung bean sprout to be crunchy and have a texture of excitement of crispiness in chewing this very yummy dish. And then of course the shrimp. Here it is. Wow. See? So now I will just cover. And simmer it for another 3 minutes. Okay, it's now about to be done. Okay, wow. Nice. Let me see the noodles. It's here. Oh. Wow, so yummy. You see that? A surprise inside. But I must have to taste. Saltiness if it's okay. No, not yet. Not yet okay. So let us add soy sauce. Maybe another 2 tablespoons. Wala siyang alat, guys. Ayun. Sarap nito. Okay, and then I will just add the black pepper. Wow, so nice. This is a very nice dish. Look at this. Wow, a surprise inside the pork belly. You see the chili. Surprise inside. Wow, nice. So I will have to finalize the taste again. Wow, it's okay, it's done. So perfectly done. So now I will taste the noodles. Look at this. Oh, nice. Let us eat, guys. Yummy. Chewy. You know the texture of rice noodles, which is distinct from the ordinary noodles we eat. Okay, so it's done. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. At paki-click yung bell button para kayo ma-notify every time na mayroong bagong upload again. Okay? So, patayin ko na ito. Kakain na ako. Okay. Thank you so much. I love you guys. See you again on my next video, ha?